Thank you so much, Your Excellency. My question revolves around historical land injustices. And as I ask my question, I think I will also go back to refer to an issue that we've just spoken about, the issue and the question around the SGR. And my issue around historical land injustices, and my take is that it excludes some segments of the communities from mainstream economic, political, and social spaces. In fact, historical land injustices impede on cohesion and integration. So then, what is your plan to resolve the questions around historical land injustices, which we have lived with since our independence, and also the emergence of evictions and displacement of people of Kenya? Then taking you back to the SGR question, that you have comprehensively lauded the project. SGR sits in a land that has historical questions. I don't know whether you know about that. And the Naivasha, the use of Naivasha as a place for SGR, sometimes it loses the real intentions, because if you were to talk about where SGR is placed, it's placed in a land called Kidong, where I come from. And that land has displaced its owners to have the project. And the irony about the project is that SGR has been built and the rail has been built over us, our infrastructure destroyed and left unattended. SGR is well lit, power all over. But 500 meters from the SGR, the community do not have power. SGR, enjoys water services. The community in the area do not have water. I think that is too much of madharau for the people. For me, if you ask me. And not just that, to also say that we have been fighting for Kidong for the longest time. We have even gone to the African courts to claim the rights of the people of Kidong. The government doesn't listen to us. It doesn't listen to anyone. In fact, just like when you talk about state capture, I have seen the government of Kenya capture a few Maasais at the expense of many others. Yes. So please help us see how these historical land injustices will be resolved in your government.
Thank you very much. Irene Soila.